So welcome back to my channel. So today we play Don't Press the Button. Okay, still here. The run already start and we still in the spawn, or when you that place we're going to here. Yeah. Oh, I had 16 coins. Yeah. I have 2 diamonds. Yeah. Press it. Oh, find the correct pet. No thanks. Okay, maybe I press. I'm die. I'm dead. Okay. Ah. What? No, I want to press. Oh. Oh. Press. No. Ayah. You die. Bomb. Boost. Oh no. Fast. Yo. Nice. Yay. Oh, diamond. No. Push it. Push. Oh yeah. Babu. Hi. It's like son of gun. Oh no. Be careful, guys. Don't. No. Okay. We safe, yeah. Die. Shit. Aww. Okay. Let's just collecting the points. And the diamonds, yeah. Press. Quick, get on. Oh my god. I'm Mr. Level bullet. No. Oh, yes. Press. What is that house? Oh, I survived. Trampoline. Yeah. Doing. Okay. Oh. No. What happened? Oh. What? Oh. Oh. What is actually heaven? Oh yeah. Oh. 15 coin. Yes, I have 43 point. No, it's too long, yeah. no. Everyone getting smaller. The next round will be the last round in this video, okay? Oh no. Why me? Oh no. No, it's yeah. Okay, this is the last. Oh. I think this will be the okay. So the video will be end in this time. So goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.